Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our weekly check-in and this is our second check-in for July. Now it is going to start on July 4th, so happy 4th. I hope everybody had a great holiday. I did, even though I was working. But anyways, it starts on the 4th and it ends on the 10th. Now this week, it was pretty bad, but maybe not as bad as last week because I spent a lot of money last week. So, without further ado, we're going to get on with the video and see how much money I actually spent and if I have any left over. So, as always, this is my Erin Condren planner that I have, and then I have the cheat sheet of everything that I spent. I have my calculator. I also have my cheat sheet of my color coordinated stickers of what categories go with what sticker. But anyway, so let's start with July 4th. July 4th was a holiday, Independence Day. I did not spend anything because I was pretty much sleeping all day because I had to work at 7 p.m. No, 11 p.m. actually. And it was a busy night, but, you know, I survived. All right, on the 5th, I got some more stickers from Simply Cami that I'm going to show in a vlog, hopefully. And that was $14. So we're going to take that out of our cushion. And I'm just going just so y'all can see it better. Alright, so on the 5th, like I said, we did Etsy. Alright, and that was $14. I literally just got it in the mail today, so super excited. I needed it. Alright, so that was $14. And then we went grocery shopping a little bit because it was the day after and I needed some coffee for work and stuff like that. So Walmart, and that was $8. And that is everything that I spent on Friday. Now on the 6th, I got off at 7 in the morning. So I was starving at like 6. So I went up to the cafeteria at work and I bought some food. I bought some breakfast and it was only like $2. So it's fine. I just won't do it next time. So right, breakfast. All right, $2 because it was literally $2. All right, and then my boyfriend and I actually went grocery shopping for the week. I'm down to my last sticker, but I did order some more, so I'm pretty happy about that. Walmart, I spent $42. Now, I will link my grocery haul down below just so y'all can see that video, and if y'all are interested in what we buy every week, you can go and check that out. All right, and then we did gas, and gas was $15. All right, and that is everything that we spent on the 6th. Now, on the 7th, it was actually a no spend day. I was working once again, and I was literally sleeping all day. I think I woke up at like 1 o'clock or something like that. So no spend. I was a little crooked, but it's fine. All right, on the 8th, I was off that day. Well, actually, I got off at 7 in the morning on Monday, so I slept till about noon again. I was going to vlog, but I was just so drowsy from that night. But we went to Dollar Tree, and I bought some baby shower stuff. So that's going to come out of the sinking fund. And we're going to write BS for baby shower. And that was $10. Make some space so it doesn't have to run. All right, and then let's see. We went to eat because I was starving. So out to eat, we ate at Taco Bell. I went there for lunch, I believe. Because I literally woke up at 1 and I haven't eaten anything since like Sunday night at like 7. All right, and then that is everything on the 8th. Now on the 9th, I bought a gift because it was mine and Jared's 6th year anniversary. No ring yet, but we celebrated our 6th year anniversary of just being together. And I got him a little gift at Barnes & Noble, and that was only like $8. We said we wasn't going to give each other big gifts because we were going to go to Disney. But this man, I swear, I only spent $8 and then he comes home with my gift. You know, granted, I just probably wanted like some candy or something. But he comes home and he buys me this Samsung Galaxy watch. And I was like, why? Which I'm grateful. I mean, I absolutely love it. But the only thing I was thinking about was like, oh my god, we could have used that $125 for Disney. But it's fine. We're gonna make it work. So it's okay. So that is everything that I spent at Barnes & Noble. Now on the 10th, which was yesterday, I got my haircut, which is super cute. I absolutely love it so much. We used it on my cushion, which is my debit card. So we're going to write haircut, $33. All right. And then went to the doctor. I had a dermatology appointment today. And of course, I spent $35 for copay, and then I had to go and get more medicine for my face and everything else. So, yeah. I don't like going to the doctor. I really don't like paying the copay. It's fine. You got to do what you got to do, right? So, I'm going to say doctor, and that was $35. Okay. And then we went to Michael's, and Michael's had some clearance. I got like some washi tape and everything else, and that is going to come out of fun money. And that was actually $12. Just got a bunch of washi tapes and stickers and everything else. So all right, and then last but not least, we got some gas. And that was $10. That gas is going to last me hopefully till Saturday. No promises because there is a Pokemon event this weekend, and then I have to go to work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday back and forth for about 40 miles each day. So, yeah. All right, so that is everything. Let me back y'all out. So this is everything that I spent from the 4th through the 10th. It's not as bad as last week from Monday through Wednesday, but I had 2 no spins, which it's better than no spin. So yeah, we're going to flip to the check-in page now, and we're going to check how much money we actually have left. All right, and then I have my handy dandy financial piece envelope and my calculator on the side. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so y'all can see the envelope also. All right, so I'm going to flip through and see how much money we have. All right, so for groceries, we did $8.42. And I believe that is all. So, and 42 equals $50. Right? Let me make sure. 42 and $8. Okay, so 42 plus 8, $50 spent. All right, and then gas, we spent 15 and 10. So we spent 25. Yeah. All right, out to eat, which is the teal looking one, was $2 and $10. So that was $12. All right, fun money. We spent $12. Sinking funds, let's see, we spent $10 plus 8 plus 35. I think that's it. And that was $53. And then cushion, we spent $33 for haircut. All right, so that is how much we spent. So let's see how much I've never put the total of how much I spent in all. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully this calculator will behave. So that was $185 that I spent this week. Crazy. All right, so let's go over and see how much we have left. So we spent $50, and then there was a $60 left. So let's see. So we should have $10, $7. But why does it say I have $10? Am I missing something? I did it right. I don't know where I did right. It says I only have $7, but I have $10 in my wallet. Interesting. I'm just going to write $10 because that's how much it was in my grocery envelope. All right, gas, we spent $25, so we should have, let's see, 35 minus 25. We should have $10 left in gas. Let me zoom out just a little bit more for you guys. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's right. So we have $10 left. All right, out to eat. We had $12 left, so we have $0. Fun money, we have $0. Let's see, sinking fund, we had 486. 486 minus $53. So we have $433. And then cushion, we have $49 left over, and then we spent $33 for the haircut, makes it $16. So, yep, so this is everything that I spent and how much I have left. I'm not sure how I got the groceries wrong. If you see if I made a mistake, I'm not sure, but I thought I had it right. But yeah, so this is my weekly check-in for paycheck number 2 for week 2. And I am super excited. Thank you everybody for liking and subscribing and commenting all the kind words that you have been giving me. And like I said, if you have a channel, then I am more than welcome to go and check your channel out, subscribe to you. And yeah, so just let me know. I've had a couple of people that has commented saying to go and support their channel, and I have done that, so just let me know. And I will see you guys next week with another check-in. I will see you guys tomorrow on Friday with a cash sinking fun and a cash envelope sinking fun and budgeting. So this is super excited. It is payday week and I am extremely excited. And yeah, so I will see you guys later and have a good week. Goodbye.